I'm Keith Johnson from Allen Heath in the UK, and I'm here at Sweetwater to talk about our brand new product here, the SQ. This is the SQ5, there's also an SQ6. So I'm going to run you through some of the main features and let's take a look. So with this product, what we've done really is taken a lot of the technology we've developed over many years for our flagship digital console, the 𝗣𝗏. We've taken that and compacted it down, and we've combined the workflow and form factor of our Q series, which has been incredibly popular for us. So what you end up with is a very powerful but very compact unit, and this is running our latest generation 𝗣𝗑𝐶VI core. So this is a 96 kHz mixer running on an 𝗣𝗶GA core, allowing input to output latency of less than 0.7 of a millisecond. So looking at the workflow, we have 6 layers of faders. The SQ5 here has 16 plus 1 fader, and the SQ6 has 24 plus 1 fader, giving you either 96 or 144 completely customizable channel strips. The main thing you'll notice is a large 7-inch capacitive touchscreen here in the center of the console, surrounded by dedicated rotaries for major controls, and some soft keys here. And all of this is combined with our ethos of allowing you to customize this to work with you, not against you. You don't have to learn anything, you're customizing this to your workflow. So digging in a little deeper into the power of this unit, every one of the 48 channels has all the processing you'd expect, such as gate, fully parametric EQ, and compressor. The fact that we've got the 𝗣𝗑𝐶VI core in there means that this is deep processing ready. And you can see here we've got our tube stage preamp, so this is very high-end modeling that doesn't add any latency to the channel when it's added in. In addition to which, we have 8 stereo effects engines, and these have their own dedicated returns, meaning you're not eating into that 48 channel count. There are 12 stereo mixes alongside the left-right mix, and with the ultra-low latency that I mentioned earlier, it makes this a perfect solution for in-ear monitors. There are even 2 options for recording built right into the unit. There's the SQ drive here on the front, which records 16 channels at 96K direct to USB drive, and there's a USB-B connection so you can record and connect up to any DAW, and that's 32 by 32. All of these features can be found in both models of the SQ. The main differences between the two being the local I/O and also the fader count. So the SQ5 here is 16 plus 1 faders, the SQ6 is 24 plus 1 faders. Both models have 3 stereo line inputs. The SQ5 also has 16 mono michael line inputs, and the SQ6 has 24 mono michael line inputs. The SQ5 has 8 soft keys, and the SQ6 has 16 soft keys plus 4 rotary controls. These soft rotaries can be assigned to different functions, allowing you instant access to your most adjusted parameters. So I've only really scratched the surface of what this powerful little unit can do.